Right. So, welcome to Chase Life. I'm just going to do a quick review of my gear run. We've been doing some modifications to it, fixing it up, and yeah. And while I'm here, it's a quick review of. It's just everything is kind of a nightmare right now. This is the entryway of the home, um, and this is my office where I work. Um, This is just a media room, which again had a lot of artwork on the walls that are all down and packed up. And yeah, quick review of the kitchen. It's quite a mess. Gonna refinish this island. Yeah, so not much else going on here. Grandma's bird, which I gotta take to California. This is the sunroom, and it's now the box storage room, and I'm just trying to sort through. It's crazy. Got a quick deck out back. The laundry room slash pantry. If I was staying here, this would be a fully walk-in pantry, and I'd move the laundry upstairs. Somebody else may want to do that. All right, so this is the main floor. The access to the bottom floor is through here, and we go down, and this is the access up to the main top floor. So it's really 3 floors all in all, and it's about 5,000 square feet. The rooms are huge, and a quick look at the bathroom. As you can see, it's under construction. And I'm going to have a little spa area with the Japanese soaking tub. I don't know if that makes sense once you're selling the house, but that's what we were planning to do before we sold it. Anyways, it's really quite a large bathroom. All right, a quick tour of the work that's been done. Heading into the hiking studio. And yeah, so we now have the ceilings repaired, which is cool. And yeah, so pretty happy. It's a beautiful day out. Yeah, so I still have to figure out, because we're moving, there's just stuff stacked everywhere. But I have to figure out what to do. I got to figure out a better way to do these shoes, but no point in doing that right now. These are a few of the packs I have. It's also the Z packs back there hiding. These are all snacks for the trail. Actually, I have another container of snacks for the trail, which I didn't use. Here's where I store my 2 different sleeping quilts, so I don't keep them all compressed. And yeah, so we'll take a quick look around. Right now I've got a bunch of shoes and some fleeces in there, socks. These are all different shirts and pants. And yeah. Then over here we have just boxes full of stuff. There's rain gear, sleep containers. And I have a number of different raincoats I tried to see if I like them or not. An extra pee bottle, electronics, and tent stakes, and more containers. In here are some memorabilia from my trip. Acorns from the trail. Little green guy that has a story. These are the beers from Millinocket, Maine, which have their own story. Yeah, so in here I have seats and sit pads, backpacking accessories, insect and sun, repair stuff. These are all the little things that go into the packs. First aid, ditty, miscellaneous, hydration. And then here I have my electronics drawer, my this is just bags. I have compression bags and different types of dry bags and all kinds of bags. And then down here I have just gear from the trail. Yeah. All right, so that was my quick video of the hiking room and what we've done to it so far. And yeah, obviously the big thing here is we're getting the house ready for sale. And so I'll have to have a different room wherever I end up. Hopefully it'll be as nice as this one. I don't know. We'll have to see. The houses in California where we're going are a bit more expensive than the houses here in Tennessee. So we may have to make some compromises. Talk to you later.